Imagine you're learning archery for the first time. You pick up a bow and arrow, aim at the target, and let it fly. Now, where did the arrow land? This is where the concepts of accuracy and precision come in. They help us understand the quality and reliability of our results, whether we're shooting arrows or conducting scientific experiments. Accuracy refers to how close your result is to the true or intended value. Think of it as hitting the bullseye on a target. The closer your arrow lands to the center, the more accurate your shot. Precision, on the other hand, is about consistency and repeatability. It measures how close a series of measurements are to each other, regardless of their closeness to the actual target. Imagine hitting the same spot on the target repeatedly, even if it's not the bullseye. That's precision. Understanding the difference between accuracy and precision is crucial in many fields. It's not enough to just be close. Sometimes we need to be consistently and reliably close. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the target analogy to solidify our understanding of these fundamental concepts. Let's visualize accuracy and precision using the familiar target analogy. Imagine a target with concentric circles, high accuracy, high precision. All your arrows land clustered together right in the bullseye. This is the ideal scenario, indicating both correctness and consistency, high accuracy, low precision. Your arrows are scattered around the bullseye. The average of your shots might be close to the center, but the individual shots are not consistently on target, low accuracy, high precision. Your arrows are tightly grouped but far from the bullseye. This means you're consistently wrong, even if your shots are very similar to each other. Low accuracy, low precision. Your arrows are scattered all over the target, with no consistency or closeness to the bullseye. This represents the least desirable outcome. This simple analogy effectively illustrates the difference between accuracy and precision. It highlights that we need both to achieve reliable and meaningful results. In the following sections, we'll explore the importance of these concepts across various disciplines. Science is a systematic pursuit of knowledge, relying heavily on observation, experimentation, and analysis. In this quest for understanding, accuracy and precision are paramount. Every measurement we take, every experiment we conduct hinges on the reliability and consistency of our data. Imagine a scientist trying to validate a hypothesis. Their experiments must produce accurate results to support or refute the initial idea. Inaccurate measurements could lead to false conclusions, hindering scientific progress. Equally important is the ability to replicate scientific findings. Precision ensures that experiments can be repeated by other researchers with similar results. This reproducibility is a cornerstone of the scientific method, allowing us to build upon previous knowledge and establish robust theories. Whether studying the vastness of space or the intricacies of the human cell, accuracy and precision are non-negotiable. They are the bedrock upon which scientific knowledge is built. From towering skyscrapers to intricate microchips, engineering feats rely heavily on precision and accuracy. Every calculation, every measurement directly impacts the functionality, safety, and reliability of the final product. Consider the construction of a bridge. Engineers must make precise calculations to ensure the bridge can withstand the weight it's designed to carry. Even a tiny error in measurement or calculation could have catastrophic consequences. The same principle applies to manufacturing, where precision is key to creating interchangeable parts and ensuring the smooth operation of complex machinery. Imagine a world where car parts weren't standardized. Repairing a simple engine problem would be a logistical nightmare. Healthcare also relies heavily on accurate and precise measurements. Dosages of medication need to be carefully calculated based on a patient's weight and other factors. Medical imaging techniques rely on precise measurements to diagnose and monitor conditions. In essence, precision and accuracy in engineering are not just desirable. They are essential for safety, functionality, and progress. Section 5. Everyday applications from cooking to finance. The principles of accuracy and precision extend far beyond laboratories and engineering workshops, finding relevance in our everyday lives. From following a recipe to managing our finances, these concepts play a subtle yet crucial role. Imagine baking a cake. A recipe is essentially a set of instructions that need to be followed with a certain degree of accuracy and precision. Using the wrong amount of flour or baking the cake for too long can drastically alter the final result. In sports, timing is everything. The difference between winning and losing often comes down to fractions of a second. Accurate and precise timekeeping is crucial for fair competition and record-breaking performances. Financial transactions, too, demand utmost accuracy. Whether we're paying bills, investing our savings, or filing taxes, even a small error can have significant consequences. Imagine the frustration of being overcharged for a purchase, or worse, inaccuracies in your credit score due to faulty data. These everyday examples demonstrate that accuracy and precision are not just abstract concepts confined to specialized fields. They are integral to our daily lives, ensuring consistency, reliability, and fairness in various aspects of our experiences. Section 6. Enhancing accuracy and precision tools and techniques. Achieving high levels of accuracy and precision is an ongoing pursuit. We're constantly striving to refine our methods, improve our instruments, and develop new techniques to minimize errors and enhance the reliability of our measurements. Calibration is a fundamental process for ensuring accuracy. It involves comparing a measuring instrument to a known standard to identify and correct any deviations. Regular calibration of instruments, from simple thermometers to complex laboratory equipment, is essential for maintaining accuracy. The development of advanced instrumentation has revolutionized many fields. More precise and accurate tools allow us to collect higher quality data, leading to more reliable conclusions and discoveries. From electron microscopes that allow us to visualize the tiniest structures to telescopes that peer into the depths of the universe, these advancements continuously push the boundaries of our understanding. Furthermore, statistical analysis plays a crucial role in interpreting data and quantifying uncertainty. By applying statistical methods, we can identify potential errors, determine the significance of our findings, and estimate the level of confidence in our measurements. The pursuit of accuracy and precision is an ongoing process of refinement and innovation, constantly pushing the limits of our capabilities. Section 7. Beyond our reach. Data science, astronomy, and the quest for knowledge. In our technologically advanced world, data has become the new frontier. Fields like data science and astronomy rely heavily on vast datasets, demanding even greater emphasis on accuracy and precision. Data science involves extracting knowledge and insights from data. However, if the data itself is inaccurate or imprecise, the resulting analyses and predictions will be flawed. This is particularly critical in areas like machine learning, where algorithms are trained on massive data sets to make decisions and predictions. Astronomy, the study of celestial objects and phenomena, faces unique challenges. Astronomers often deal with incredibly faint signals from distant objects, making accurate and precise measurements extremely difficult. Yet, it's through these measurements that we unravel the mysteries of the universe, from the birth of stars to the expansion of space-time. These cutting-edge fields highlight the ever-increasing importance of accuracy and precision in our quest for knowledge and understanding. As we delve deeper into the complexities of the world around us and the vastness of the cosmos, the reliability and consistency of our measurements become paramount. Section 8. Embracing uncertainty, the importance of transparency and error reporting. While striving for accuracy and precision is essential, it's equally important to acknowledge that no measurement is perfect. Every measurement comes with a degree of uncertainty, and understanding this uncertainty is crucial for proper interpretation and use of data. Transparency in reporting measurements and their associated uncertainties is paramount. Scientists, engineers, and anyone working with data have an ethical responsibility to communicate not just their findings, but also the level of confidence in those findings. Error bars, confidence intervals, and other statistical tools help us quantify and communicate uncertainty. These tools provide a visual representation of the range within which the true value likely lies, allowing others to assess the reliability of the measurement. Embracing uncertainty is not about accepting mediocrity, but about being honest and transparent about the limitations of our knowledge. It allows for more robust interpretations, encourages further investigation, and ultimately leads to a more accurate and nuanced understanding of the world. Section 9. The enduring pursuit of accuracy and precision. The quest for accuracy and precision is a fundamental human endeavor, woven into the fabric of our curiosity and our pursuit of knowledge. From the earliest astronomers charting the stars to modern scientists probing the subatomic world, the desire to measure, quantify, and understand our surroundings drives us forward. As we advance technologically, our tools become more sophisticated, our methods more refined, and our understanding of the universe more nuanced. Yet, the fundamental principles of accuracy and precision remain constant. They are the cornerstones upon which we build our knowledge, make informed decisions, and push the boundaries of human achievement. The pursuit of accuracy and precision is not about achieving absolute certainty. For in the vast and complex tapestry of the cosmos, absolute certainty may forever elude us. Instead, it's about striving for the best possible understanding, acknowledging our limitations, and embracing the beauty of discovery that lies in the pursuit of knowledge.